Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the assignment and membership operators. Okay, so in the last class we have talked about the comparison and the logical operators. Okay, where we see how the comparison operators work and how the logical operators work. Okay, in today's class we are going to talk about the assignment operators. What is assignment operator? It used to assign a values to a variables. That means we have two different terms, that is values and variables. So let's see one by one what is values. For example, a equal to 5. Here a is our variable and 5 is our value. So basically a is holding the value 5. So therefore a will be your variable and 5 will be your value. So this is the first type. Now next is we'll assign this one. Okay, a plus equal to 5. Okay, so what does it mean? A equal to 5 plus 5. Okay, so when I print a, okay, print a, when I run this, you can see the answer is 10. Why 10? This one, I will just summarize this one. This can be written as a equal to a plus 5. Okay, this one a plus equal to 5 can be written as a equal to a plus 5. What was the value of a? It was 5. So a equal to 5 plus 5 will be 10. Okay, similarly here you can see a plus equal to 5. What was the value of a? 5. So 5 plus 5 will be 10. Fine. So this is how we can use assignment operators. Next is we can also write a equal a minus equal to 2. What does it mean? That means what was the value of a? It was 5 minus 2 will be 3. Okay, so I will just remove this for now. Print a. So just run the program and check the answer, which is 3. Clear? This can be rewritten as a equal to a minus 2. Clear? A was 5, 5 minus 2 will be 3. Okay, this can be rewritten as a equal to a minus 2. Similarly, we can look for multiplications. Okay, so for example, a equal to 5. Then we can write a into equal to 3. Then print a. What it will do here, it will just multiply 5 into 3. Okay, you can see the answer will be 15. Fine. Division also same. A equal to say 3, say 10. Then a divide equal to 2. Okay, now print a. Okay, so just remove this one for now, then just run the program. You will get 5.0 and so on. So this is your assignment operator. You just can assign one value to another variable. Okay, so now let's look at membership operator. What is membership operators? Used to check whether a value is present in sequence or not. So membership operators will work with the strings. Okay, so I will remove everything for now. Okay, so here you can see we have a list. Okay, list of alphabets A, B, C, D. If F is in list, okay, so if F is present in list, it will return true as false. Since F is not present, you can see A, B, C, D, so it will return false. Okay, when I run this one, you can see the answer is false. Okay, in order to make this true, what we'll do is if F not in, not in. Now run the program, you will get true. Okay, so basically membership operators membership operators are in and not in. Okay, just see this as example. Is he present in class or not present in class? Okay, in the same way, if f is present in the list or not, if f is present, then it will return true. If not, then it will return false. Okay, clear? Right? So this is your assignment membership operators. Okay, in the next class we will see about identity and bitwise operators. Till then, thank you.